To avoid the inevitable consequences of irresponsible drivers and the unnecessary arguments at the courthouse, to document a truthful record of accidents, you need a device that can keep track of what happens on the road, that you can always rely on. We believe in a product that can secure and enhance your driving experience with an intuitive and powerful camera device. Built for high performance and reliability, introducing the third generation Rexing V1 Dashcam with an optional premium upgrade. The Core Ultra HD camera, with a wide field of view, the best of its kind, enables maximum picture resolution and clarity. With its wide dynamic range technology and advanced image sensor, the V1 automatically adapts to any light condition. We enhanced the way dashcams record. Loop recording will automatically overwrite the oldest files, allowing you to keep recording with no interruptions. The G-sensor smartly identifies collisions of the vehicle, enables auto-lock of the current video, ensuring your most important footage is kept protected. We also simplified the way dashcams communicate and transfer data with the third generation Rexing V1's colorful LED display, GPS capability, and Wi-Fi video transfer features. Built for high durability, the Rexing V1 allows continuing high performance in an extreme temperature environment. Discreet design of the lightweight body with its black finish and low-profile form, Rexing V1 can be easily disguised behind the window shield, documenting your road trips and securing your daily drives with its undemanding characteristics. Engineered for quality, designed for reliability. The Rexing Dashcam, your roadside witness.
Even the most cautious and careful drivers cannot control events outside of their vehicles. That's why numerous road users experience dangerous and erratic drivers and remain helpless. But now they can actually do something about it and use cameras to help identify dangerous drivers. With an in-car camera or dash cam, you can get another set of two eyes to keep a video record of what occurred and when during your journey. But with several companies offering dash cams, are you confused which one to choose? If yes, then trust Rove R2 4K Dash Cam, today's most advanced and powerful 4K video car dash camera that can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p, whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology helps to get unmatched clearer footage and images from the recording even in low light conditions. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the Rove app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route and tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving location and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary Rove R2 4K Dashcam has state-of-the-art features such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry, parking mode, motion detection, 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow-mo video, and supports up to 128 gigabytes, Class 10 U3 speed micro SD card. This dash camera for cars is backed by a full 1-year warranty. Or if you're having any doubts, it comes with a full refund within 30 days. So choose the Rove Dashcam to secure your drive to a safer future.